Since the weather is getting warmer, James Charles is soaking up the sun and has been posting tons of photos in swimsuits. But one photo clearly went too far because after posting it, James lost over 80,000 followers on Instagram. I'm Mackenzie and let's get into everything that went down. After James posted a video of himself dancing and twerking in a swimsuit, fans could not believe how smooth his private area was. Some fans started to speculate that James got a BBL or some other procedure to change his body and make his private region completely smooth. But James quickly put those rumors to rest and shared with his fans how he got the smooth look, but it clearly backfired. After James revealed to fans that he was tucking to achieve this look, he included a super cringy photo showcasing just how he does it, and it obviously went viral. In the picture, James is bent over with his hand right down his swimsuit, trying to rearrange his junk. He captioned it, quote, "When people ask me if I cut it off, here's your answer, ha ha ha." Anyone who's familiar with James knows he likes to joke around, but clearly he took it way too far by posting the racy photo. The reaction to the photo was so bad that over 80,000 people decided it was time to unfollow James after seeing it. I guess if you follow James for his makeup content and then saw that, I can understand the unfollow. James addressed the backlash in a simple Instagram story where he wrote, quote, "I lost 80,000 followers today for posting that tucking story. I'm so sorry that y'all are boring. You will not be missed." However, Social Blade uncovered that the damage might be a lot worse than he initially thought. The social media analytics site reported that he lost 83,000 followers the day he posted this story, but he lost another 57,000 followers the day after. Obviously, there's a chance James doesn't care about this kind of backlash, but I would assume he won't be posting another story like this anytime soon. And of course, before we go, I gotta show you some of the tweets because they are hilarious. One person said, "How dare James Charles post this picture?" Another person said, "Me when I saw that James Charles photo earlier." And then the user showed a meme that perfectly summed up the situation. Alrighty guys, so that's all from me on this crazy, strange story. And if you haven't heard much about James Charles since his big scandal, I guess here's the reintroduction. Please let me know your thoughts below, guys. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith, and we'll catch you in the next one.